Hey there, welcome to SmartReach. Recently, we spoke to a lot of sales reps and sales leaders about the common challenges that they face in their day to day life with cold emails. And one of the biggest and the most common challenge that everyone spoke about was their domains getting into blacklist. With this one challenge, there are a lot of other problems that comes into play. People are not able to send cold emails unless they don't fix their blacklisting issues. They have to take new domains, set them up, take new emails, set them up, and it takes a lot of time. Now, just imagine just to set up an email infrastructure to contact 1000 prospects, it will easily take you around 2 hours to do the complete setup. And just imagine the pain when you're thinking of scaling up and managing everything at your end. It's gonna be a big problem. As a solution, we collaborated with Maildoso that can deliver the complete package of email infrastructure tailored for your needs in just 15 minutes. From setting up the domains to setting up the MX records, and most importantly, authenticating them with DMARC, SPF, and DKIM. Everything will be taken care within SmartReach and ensuring that these domains and emails are set up to achieve high email delivery. With this setup, now you no more have to commit annually for purchasing an email and domain. So just imagine if you're using a domain and after 3 months that domain goes into blacklist, you're still paying up for the domain for the entire year even though you're not using it. With SmartReach and Maildoso's collaboration, you are on a monthly subscription and you can ditch a domain whenever it goes bad and take another one just on a monthly subscription. So let's take a look how you can go ahead and purchase domains from SmartReach and directly ship it into your campaigns. So setting up a domain can either be done when you're creating a campaign. So inside a campaign, you can directly go to the channel setup section and directly add a secondary domain from this space. Or you can directly go to the team settings page, and in the sidebar, you can find the setup new domains section. In this section, you'll be able to set up your new inboxes. So you can click on get domains and email accounts, enter your desired domain address that you're looking to get. Let me search for smartreachx.com. You can even enter multiple. And start searching. Now, once you've got the search results, you can select the domains that you desire to get, that you desire to buy. Now, please note, purchasing every domain costs $4. That's a monthly cost. So you can select the number of domains that you want, and then the other important thing is redirecting to your primary website so that when you're sending out cold emails, and people, if they are trying to search for your company from these domains, they get redirected to your primary website. This is important. You can enter your main website address here. For me, it's SmartReach.io. Once this is done, I can go to the next step. So now in the next step, you will need to set up your email inboxes. Here you get to set up your email IDs that you will be using to send. You can start by setting up and adding your first and last names. You can enter your email ID here that you desire to use. Now let's say if you don't want this email across both the domains, you can select the ones that you don't need. If you want it at both domains, you can keep it selected and click on add. Once you do that, both the emails get added into the results section. Please note, every email that you buy from SmartReach will be charged at $3 a month. So let us get these two emails and move to the next step. The next step is where you get to know the summary of your complete domain and email purchases. So we've got 2 domains and 2 emails, and here is the summary. As mentioned, each domain is priced at $4 per domain and each email is priced at $3 per domain. Now, once you click on confirm order and pay the invoice, the domains and the emails will be directly added to your account with the complete email infrastructure set up. It is as easy as baking a cake.